Hello and welcome to Leon's Lockpad. I've got a nice Yale mortise cylinder today, sent to me by my good friend Daz Locks. It's his number 2 challenge lock. It's called Vintage. I picked his first one. That's in a package being ready to send off for somebody. So we're going to have a go at picking this one. Absolute awesome lad. He also sent me this ASEC, which is a community challenge lock. He wants people to do, he's done a pin in there, he wants us to do individual pins. It's like I'll do one, send it to someone else, they'll do a pin, and you know, everyone's contributed to making it into a challenge lock. But also, Daz, my friend, send me an email to tell me if you want the key pins doing as well, because you never mentioned if it was just the drivers or you want, you know, we can do a key pin each as well. We'll make it more challenging. But before we start, as usual, if you're interested in lock sport, you want to get involved, or you're just curious, please check out www.uklocksport.co.uk, or come and check me out on Discord at Locksport Community, also at UK Lockpickers. Absolute great forums. I will try and get some descriptions. I've got a notebook now, so I'm going to try and get the links to the description in the description. Sorry, we've got a few people, you know, joining up on Discord. Don's Locks on there. You got Stromy 90, Ryan McCreary. We've got a few on there. If I haven't named you all, please don't take offence. It's just hard to remember everybody at once. Also, I got some more subscribers recently. Please apologise if you think I'm not ignoring you. The notifications on YouTube at the moment are just broke, completely screwed up. I'm not getting them. I have the app that tells you how many subscribers you've got and that, and all your stats and stuff, and I look at that and I go, oh, you know, I've got more subscribers, and I have to go finding you. You know, if you've got channels that I like, I will certainly subscribe back. It doesn't have to be lock picking, because I'm interested in all sorts of things. But if I haven't, I'm not being ignorant, and I do apologise. And also, a big shout out to Lockpickingpete, which I didn't realise he had a channel till yesterday. He's done about 6 or 7 videos. He's a great lad. He's on the UKLS, and didn't even realise he had a channel. So, dumbass me. Do apologise. I have subscribed to him though. But if you want to go and check him out, I'll leave his name in the description, and that is Lockpickingpete. His name just cool. So let's get on with picking this. I'm going to use a Trickmaster 30 hook. It's a long but small hook. There you go, as you can see, and homemade tension wrench. Now, the top of the keyway on this lock is really odd. Not odd in a weird way, it's just odd. It's square. So tension wrenches are really a bit weird to get in there. But let's see. I'll click on, so we get it picked. Getting lots of clicks, but not getting much feedback at the moment. There's a possibility. Let's try clockwise. Oh, got a little click. Another one. A little bit of counter rotation then. Oh, some more counter then, and we've got a nice bit of a fault set going now. One second. I apologise. Oh, and a big thank you for everybody who was, you know, asked me how I was feeling, because I've been feeling so rough. Thank you very much. This community is I always say it, and it always is. It's the best community going. Oh, we're open. There we go. I apologise. I'm not coughing because I got a cold. I got something stuck in my throat. Wow. Very cool. Let's see what magic... Ooh, I'm throwing things at my camera now. Let's see what magic is in this. Now, I am going to... 1 minute. Oh. I had to go and get a drink of water. I really am sorry. It must be bloody horrible listening to me coughing. Ooh, look at that key. Wow. That's a menacing key. That is cool, that. Let's lock it back up. Oh, it works smooth. Not even a hang-up. But... yeah, it's not giving the key back there, does mate. Look, it works dead smooth, but as soon as I get to the centre... Come on. There we go. Ooh, a bit of coercion then to get that out. Right, let me get the rest of the camera sorted. I really do need to hurry up and order a new holder for my phone. There we go. Right. It was a decent day for once in good old Blighty. Snowed yesterday for about half an hour, and now we've got very nice sunshine. Don't think we're even going to get a shin in that. But we've got no thingy in there, which is cool. So, turn that to the left just a little bit, and very slowly keep the pressure on nice and tight. There we go, we're through. Cool. Oh, look at that, you got it stuck, or, I'll check it out, but I think that is a overset trap. It will be an overset trap because that pin is already picked. Just take it out, what is it? This seems interesting. So, you got a wafer on top of that number one key pin. Number 2 is standard. Number 3 is a serration on the top. Number 4 is a standard. Number 5 is another standard, and number 6 is a standard with a really long wafer. Is there anything to the core? Nothing in 1, nothing in 2. We've got a bit of threading. It looks like slightly counter milled. Nothing in 4, 5 or 6. Very cool, my friend. A little tip as well for you. Daz, my friend, if you put wafers in your locks to build up your pins, now don't get me wrong, I used to do this. It makes your lock easier to pick because you've got now two shear lines. Two ways to go through the shear line. You've either got your full pin, that your standard pin you get there, or this one. And it's same with that. See, there's two shear lines it can go against now. It can go straight across the top or in the middle, if you get what I mean. So if I pushed your pin up high enough, that would go through and then you'd get your shear line. So yeah, next time yeah, because I used to do it all the time, mate. You know, to build them up to make sure the keys would fit in. But what happens is, I didn't realise this. It's like a mushroom spool. That was very nice. Is that what will happen is your shear line, wafers make locks a lot easier to pick because you get more than one go. All like that, a very nice spool. Another copper spring. What else have we got going on here? Very slowly. We got a stock. Come on, Mr. Spring. I think Mr. Spring was being shy. Okay. There we go. Stop being shy now. Oh, we've got another, like a mushroomed style. And they come out totally different two ways. With another, I think it's brass. No, it's not, it's more of copper. Standard in 5. Yeah, so no, really cool lock, my friend. Like I say, you know, it's your second one. Well, yeah. But wafers can make it go two ways. They can make it slightly tricky. But most of the time, wafers will just make your lock easier to pick. And we've got nothing in there, as it is all sealed up. Very cool. Let's look at your pins. So what we have got is like a mushroom style spool. We've got a very deep serrated or spoolish driver, standard driver, another driver that's got serration all the way around it. We've got a standard, and we've got another spoolie type mushroom driver. Key pin, we've got a very long fat key pin with a little wafer on top. We've got a standard driver in 2. 3, we've got a serrated key pin. We've got a standard key pin in 4, a standard key pin in 5, and we've got a standard in 6 with a little, tiny little, what is that on the end of there? Is that? Yeah, it's just a piece of fluff. And we've got a wafer in number 6. Now, like I say, mate, this is what will happen is let's look at your thing. So you got long ones. So say your keys like this. Your bitting is like that. Say it's something like that. When I push this pin down, number 1 pin down, what will happen is either the shear line is going to hit the top of the wafer, or as soon as I pass that, it's going to shear right there, and they're going to move, and that's going to. And it's same with this one. Now you've made this into an overset trap, which is cool, but if someone pushes this driver further enough up to the shear line, it will go ping that way, and there you go. There your shear line will be, if you get what I mean. But still a great lock make. Was really fun to pick. I enjoyed that. You are definitely coming on strong with making these challenge locks, but well done, mate. I'll be getting sent off. So Everybody don't forget, check out Daz and that and look, Picking Pete. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. Please subscribe. Bye. Don't forget to like.